Gas-powered pressure washers are a cornerstone for tackling heavy-duty outdoor cleaning, decks, driveways, siding, and equipment restoration. They deliver higher sustained pressure and volume than many electric models, making them ideal for frequent or professional use. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 models across a price range from budget to premium, focusing on engine or pump reliability, flow rate, portability, accessories, ease of use.
Product number 1. Simpson 3400 PSI Gas Pressure Washer. The Simpson CM61083 pairs a 208cc CRX gas engine with a maintenance-free 3400 PSI 2.5 GPM OEM Technologies axial cam pump. Designed for homeowners who need solid, reliable cleaning power, it includes a 25-foot MoreFlex hose, quick connect nozzle set, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap, and a sturdy welded steel frame with 10-inch pneumatic wheels. It's 49 state compliant, not for sale in California, emphasizing broad availability and compliance for typical residential use. Prospective buyers get a balance of power, portability, and user-friendly features at a mid-tier price with a focus on durability and ease of maintenance. Performance-wise, the axial cam pump with thermal relief helps prevent overheating during extended sessions, and the low oil shutdown on the 208cc engine adds a layer of protection. The 25-foot MoreFlex hose resists kinking and is designed to be non-marring to protect surfaces, which is particularly important for wooden decks and painted surfaces. Mobility is aided by the 37 by 30 by 21-inch footprint and 64-pound weight, though this is still a fairly large machine for casual homeowners. The included accessories cover typical DIY tasks, and the balance between weight and stability is well considered for common cleaning jobs.
Product number 2. Pressure washer. The MZK electric pressure washer delivers impressive 5,200 psi potential with up to 3.0 GPM, a strong value proposition at budget price, and it includes 4 metal quick connect nozzles plus a foam cannon. It's designed for portability and flexibility, offering a 21-foot hose and a 17-foot power cord with 360-degree swiveling wheels for easy maneuverability. It can draw water from a faucet or a bucket, expanding its use cases where a garden hose may not be readily available. Performance-wise, the machine's electric operation translates to quiet startup and lower maintenance than gas units, though sustained cleaning at high pressure may require frequent refills and more careful nozzle management to avoid overspray and damage. The foam cannon and detergent compatibility are appealing for car washing and patio cleaning, while the compact design and included storage hooks help with organization. Real-world use will depend on electrical access and load management, as well as how well it handles cleaning porous surfaces without causing surface etching at lower nozzle settings.
Product number 3. Simpson 61014 3500 PSI at 2.5 GPM Honda GX200 with AAA AX300 axial cam pump. Cold water professional gas pressure washer, PS61002-S. The PS61002-S is a professional-grade gas-powered option featuring a Honda GX200 engine and a AAA AX300 axial cam pump delivering 3,500 PSI at 2.5 GPM. Built for contractors and serious DIY users, it emphasizes rugged construction, maintenance-friendly components, and higher-level performance. It includes a 25-foot MoreFlex hose, 5 quick connect nozzles including a soap nozzle, and a heavy-duty welded steel frame with 10-inch pneumatic tires. In use, the Honda GX200 is renowned for durability and easy starting, while Power Boost technology helps maintain peak pressure at the nozzle for demanding tasks like deck stripping and heavy-duty cleaning. The 74 footprint and robust frame make it less portable than lighter residential models, but provide stability on uneven surfaces and extended operation. This machine is best suited for experienced homeowners or small business operators who need consistent power and reliability for frequent, tough cleaning jobs.
Product number 4. Westinghouse WPX 3000E Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse WPX 3000E occupies the premium end of the electric segment with 3000 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM, an induction motor, onboard soap tank, and a 5-nozzle set. At $279, it blends convenience, onboard features, and a more refined user experience with a focus on quiet operation and maintenance-free use compared to gas units. The onboard soap tank is a notable advantage for users who frequently wash cars, patios, or furniture without mixing detergents separately. Performance-wise, the 3000 PSI rating is ample for most residential tasks, including deck cleaning and exterior walls, while the 1.76 GPM flow helps with efficiency in soap application and rinse cycles. The 25-foot hose and 12-inch plus wheel design enhance portability within a typical home setting. The lack of gas engine means lower ongoing maintenance, but users should be mindful of electrical supply and cord management. The 3-year manufacturer coverage adds confidence for long-term ownership. Product number 5. PowerHorse Gas Cold Water Pressure Washer. The PowerHorse gas-powered unit delivers 3,400 PSI at 2.7 GPM with a maintenance-free axial cam pump. It relies on an OHV 212cc engine, 5-for-1-0, and a steel tube frame with 10-inch flat-free tires for durability and portability. This model provides strong cleaning power at a mid-range price point and emphasizes rugged construction and long-term usability for frequent tasks around the home and on job sites. In practice, the engine and direct drive axial pump align with dependable, straightforward operation. The 30-foot hose length offers decent reach, and the heavy-duty cart design enhances transport across uneven terrain. The combination of 2.6 to 2.7 GPM flow and 3,400 PSI is well suited for stubborn tasks like concrete cleaning or paint preparation, but users should account for the weight, around 70 pounds, when moving the unit frequently. Maintenance requirements are relatively low due to the maintenance-free pump design.